In order to remove a SIM card from POCO F8 Pro, what you can do is you can take a look at the bottom of the phone where we can find the SIM tray. And over here we have this SIM tray hole, and we're gonna need to use an eject tool and put it into this SIM tray hole in order to eject the SIM tray. So we're gonna put it in over here. You should be able to find your eject tool inside the box of the phone. There we go. And use a little bit of force in order to push it into the phone to make the SIM tray pop out. Once that happens, we can just simply remove it with our fingernails or fingers from the phone. Now over here in my case, I have 2 SIM cards inserted. So if you happen to have 2 SIM cards inserted, in order to remove the first SIM card, you might want to use just a tiny bit of force in order to bend the SIM tray. You don't want to, of course, use too much force because we don't want to break the SIM tray, but you might need to bend it one way to make one of the SIM cards pop out. And in my case, it actually did, at least slightly. So now we can try to push it or turn it around, something like that, in order to remove it from the SIM tray. And if you happen to have just one SIM card, then it is much easier because we have this space over here which we can use, for example, to use our fingernails in order to push it from the other side, and the SIM card comes out really easily. And once you remove all your SIM cards that you wanted to remove, we need to put the SIM tray back into the phone. So just put it back in, push it in with your finger, make sure that it is fully in and it doesn't stick out. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.